YouTube.
Well, there you go. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a sit down, get ready with me with my roommate, Julia.
Hello.
So we're heading to the Jonas Brothers concert in T-minus 3 hours. We're literally just gonna chill here, get ready, and record it. We have a couple good J14 BuzzFeed-esque quizzes pulled up about the Jonas Brothers and Disney, so we're just gonna start getting ready and then, you know, do the quizzes. So I think, should we start with the quiz while we do our foundation and stuff, or?
Sure.
Like, what do we want to do?
So should we do, let's do, oh God, I look like poop. I have one. Well, which Jonas brother are you?
We each have the quiz on our phone. We'll just read them out.
The first question, which Disney Channel original movie would you star in? Xenon, Girl of the 21st Century, Smart House, The Cheetah Girls, or Cadet Kelly?
I think I'm gonna go with the Cheetah Girls.
I think I'm gonna go with Cadet Kelly. How are you feeling today? All right, I guess. Pretty good. I'm all over the place, or a bit down.
I mean, we're heading to the Jonas Brothers, so I don't think we're a bit down whatsoever.
But I mean, today in general, although I was pretty hype all day for this.
So I'm gonna go with pretty good.
I'm gonna put pretty good as well. Pick a Miley Cyrus, and then it has pictures of Miley looking crazy with her tongue out and stuff.
Like innocent Miley, like
and
Miley,
then there's
like,
two innocent Miley, one like older innocent, and then one like 13-year-old innocent.
I'm gonna go with like, not the baby innocent one, but like.
But the other innocent one.
Yeah, yeah.
Honestly though, she looks gorgeous.
That one's really pretty.
I'm gonna do that one just because she looks good. Which song makes you weak in the knees? Burnin' Up, When You Look Me in the Eyes, Love Bug, or Play My Music? What do you mean by like weak in the knees?
Like that makes you like, whoo, I need to sit down. Honestly, wanna know a fun fact?
Yes.
I don't really love Love Bug.
I don't either. Like, it's cute and I love to listen to it.
But it's not like
but it's
a
not
big
like
jam
up
to
on
me.
my list.
Right, like it wouldn't be in my top 5 like Joe Bro playlists, you know, songs.
Yeah,
So,
I think
I don't want to offend anybody. I'm so sorry if I am.
babe.
But I think I'm gonna do, like, what makes me weak in the knees? Like, Burning Up's great, but doesn't make me weak in the knees. It makes me want to be like jumping up and down.
I'm gonna do When You Look Me in the Eyes.
Same.
I
My
love
knees
how
are
I
like-
look.
Pretty
Which
cute.
instrument would you play? Piano, guitar, drums, or saxophone? Considering I play piano already, I'm gonna go with that one.
Alright, I'm gonna go with drums.
Ooh. What kind of person are you at parties? Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are polar opposites here. Your girl, Julia,
You're the drunk one.
goes hard. So there's either the shy one, the social one, the drunk one, or the host. I'd say I'm kind of the social one. Like, I am drunk, but like, I'm very social and I'm very like, hey guys, oh my God, where are all my friends? Like, I just want to party with everyone. I'm gonna go with the social one.
I'm gonna go with the shy one. So I'm gonna go in with the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer. We're gonna be fully snatched tonight. Also, you know what I'm salty about though? We're missing the Bachelor season finale.
Yeah, so they postponed it because of Dancing with the Stars, which like, go Hannah Brown, but I need to see who wins BIP. I need to see who gets engaged.
Right? I mean, like, we kind of know. Like, by the time this video goes up, we're all gonna know. Our guesses
But
now.
the Joe Bros are always worth it. Oh, you want to
true.
put in our guesses?
Yeah.
Do we think Hannah and Dylan are gonna...
He is that she's like just using it for fame. So what do we think?
That is what Nick Viall thinks. That was weeks ago.
So do we
They
say
said I love you. So, there's that.
Or do we think they're gonna get engaged?
I think...
The question is, are they gonna get engaged? And then the following question.
If the answer to them getting engaged is no, are they still gonna stay together?
Or if they get engaged, are they gonna stay together?
I think they'll get together.
And I think Dylan will use his powerful ways to keep her. All right, I'm going with the Laura Mercier translucent powder.
I used the Tarte light beige, just Amazonian clay powder concealer over the Amazonian clay liquid concealer because, you know, I'm ugly, so I need 2 layers. That's the tea.
Can't you be not self-deprecating?
Okay, I'll try. And then I'm a big Tarte fan. I also used the Tarte Seduce.
Mine's Celebrated.
Mine's Seduce because I said things were about to get sexy up in here and they are. Now I'm moving on to my brows.
Oh God, I'm not even done with my face.
That's because I'm fast.
It's because you don't do half
using-
the stuff I use.
I'm gonna do my brows. I use the L'Oreal Paris Brow Stylist Shape and Fill. I use like medium to dark one because I have dark hair, which it's like blonde at the end. I did balayage, but anyway.
Basic girl. Now I'm gonna go with bronzer, which is something she doesn't do.
I do the limited amount because I do my makeup every day, so I don't want to do all of that crap.
See, I don't do any makeup every day.
Okay.
Oh god, look at that highlight.
You do so much stuff that I just don't feel
Pretty.
I have the time to do.
But,
oh my gosh. Okay guys, this is about Bachelor. So they announced who the girls, some of the girls are for the next season of The Bachelor. Even though they haven't even announced The Bachelor yet, who we're also missing that tonight. They're announcing who the next Bachelor is, but we all know who it is. It's Peter. But so they announced some of the girls. Katie, who is just like a friend from home, her sister hung out with one of the contestants all day on Saturday and didn't even know she was on the show.
we never finished our guesses for the rest of the Bachelor people. All right, Chris.
And Katie. Well, he said he's like not in love with her yet, but he still wanted to go to the fantasy suite at the end of the episode with her.
I mean,
bow chicka bow wow.
But then, okay, in the promo videos from like long ago,
it looks like Katie's hand
because it's the only darker skin hand.
So then then Katie and Chris have to get engaged.
Yeah.
Okay, well then that's that one. Clay and
they left. Yeah, Clay was like, I don't know if I can do this.
But then they didn't end up leaving.
Oh right, are you
They're
sure?
still there. They're still there. I'm pretty sure, but I think they'll be fine. I think.
For eyeshadow, I'm using the Lorac Pro palette.
I am using the Revolution Makeup Revolution London Ultra Eyeshadow, 32 Ultra Professional Eyeshadows. So the next quiz that we have organized, set up, whatever, is which Jonas Brother is your soulmate? Now, I'm fully aware that they are all happily married, and I'm very happy for them. I am not trying to be a homewrecker. I would just like to know, were they single? Which one is right for me?
I thought you were gonna say, I know they're married, but I'm also single.
I mean, I am. I doubt any of your subscribers are men.
All my exes.
Well, if they're your exes,
yeah,
there's a reason I don't want to date them.
No. There's a reason I don't want to date them. All right, are we gonna have the same soulmate?
God, I hope not.
Watch me have Kevin since I'm boring and don't go out.
Which Jonas Brother is your soulmate?
First, pick your ideal trait in a significant other. Loyal, charismatic, caring, laid back, charming, funny.
Loyal. I'm gonna go with loyal.
I'm gonna go with funny, just to be different. Pick a Jonas Brothers song to jam out to. Year 3000, Burning Up, SOS, Love Bug, Play My Music, or Much Better. What's
you
much
know
better?
It's Year 3000. Or Play My Music.
I think yours should be Play My Music.
I think you're right. Mine's Play My Music.
I'm gonna go with Year 3000. Pick a Disney show to binge watch. Sunny with a Chance, Hannah Montana, Sweet Life on Deck, Wizards of Waverly Place, That's So Raven, and Shake It Up.
I think we both should have the same answer considering we did this.
I mean, considering we watched Hannah Montana. Pick a place to spend, excuse me, someone is texting. Also trying this new mascara by Tarte. Bought it last night. Is it a good idea to try it the day of a concert? Probably not. All right. Back to the quiz. Paris, Lake Tahoe, Tokyo, Maui, Morocco, or Sydney? I'm gonna go with Maui. I love Maui.
I've been to Maui, so I'm gonna put out Sydney because I've always wanted to go to Australia.
Same, but I'm gonna have a different answer than you. Okay, if you couldn't listen to Joe Bros, which would you listen to? Big Time Rush, Metro Station, Naked Brothers Band, Aaron Carter, Hot Shell Ray, or Jesse McCartney? Well, considering I went to the Jesse McCartney concert earlier this February, I'm gonna go Jesse McCartney because Beautiful Soul is.
I'm gonna do Jesse McCartney too, I'm sorry.
If you were in a band, what would you play? Vocals, guitar, bass, piano, drums, tambourine. Well, we answered this question in the previous one, so should we stick?
No, because if I was in a band, I would want to be a singer.
I'm gonna pick singing too.
You can't sing. Just kidding. Next.
And finally, pick a stylish accessory. Ascot, skinny tie, fedora, chunky bracelets, belt chain, or a vest.
Chunky bracelets always because I'm a big fan of those Alex and Annie. I got Kevin. It says,
hey, why are you
is Kevin? Hey, your soulmate is Kevin. You're chill, laid back, and you enjoy kicking back and enjoying life. Your dream date is a picnic in the park or catching a ball game. Catching a ball game is accurate. Something low maintenance. It doesn't matter as long as you're with your person. That's actually very accurate. I am actually very content with that because I love Kevin. He has a family. He's like a dad.
You know, every time I go to Target and we pass the baby section, she starts walking towards it.
And I always go up to the crib and I'm like, oh.
And then I say, hey, you need a boyfriend.
Speaking of.
I mean, you could adopt.
Oh, did he Snapchat you?
I was gonna say talk to you, but he's not talking.
But we're not gonna open it yet because it was only 35 seconds ago and there are rules, ladies.
Oh my God, the rules are so
there
stupid.
Are rules. Why do I look actually kind of decent?
How does the mascara look?
Good.
Good, all right.
Let it dry and then layer more.
So that's the approvals for the Big Ego Tarte mascara.
And I'm using the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. Love it, it's amazing. Okay, here we go. I have to do lipstick though.
I just did lipstick, but I'm gonna do
Are we
body
ready?
mascara as well.
Do I go with matte lipstick or do I add the gloss?
I'm adding the gloss.
Well, that's what you're doing. I'm asking what I should do.
We went to Ulta last night.
Oh, Ulta.
We weren't going to go.
Idea. I bet it was your pumpkin thing's fault.
I know, probably.
It was not.
No?
No.
Is there something in my bedroom?
Your key hook.
Are my AirPods okay?
Huh?
Are my AirPods
Oh my god, the AirPods! They hit the floor, but they might be okay. I'm just leaving them there. Guys, we had a little bit of a crisis, but
crisis averted?
all is well in the world.
Is it though?
Guys,
That scared me.
why am I such a good vlogger?
Yeah, sure.
This is a first, I'm a natural. And now, we spritz.
Okay, James Charles. James, please call James. Gotta make it last.
And then we dry. We fan.
This is a lot more mistier than mine.
What do we think? Matt?
I'm going for the gloss.
Screw it. Me too.
Love that. Who had more to do, but is ready to go? This girl. I think the only way to end our video, we need to end with a jam. The tea.
Should I put my hoops in?
Yeah, put the hoops in. Oh my god, yours are huge. I thought mine were big.
The bigger the hoop,
The bigger the hoe. I hope you guys enjoyed our very random, very unplanned get ready with us. I'm very excited to go see the Jonas Brothers. She's making noises. Sorry. We're very excited to go to the Jonas Brothers. I went to their concert like 10 years ago.
I did not.
But now this is the second time I'm seeing them in concert, 10 years later. Hopefully I've glowed up. If I can find a
Hopefully
photo.
I've glowed up.
Should I find a photo? We had a
Do you
whole
have
album.
one?
Yeah.
Then do it.
If I can insert a photo, I'll
yeah.
insert the whole outfit that I wore.
The fit.
The fit. The OOTD.
Oh,
That's what it
I
is.
haven't said that since I was in middle school.
Well, I guess ours would be the OOTN. Outfit of the night, but you know.
Or you just don't do that.
Are you gonna put on your OOTN right now?
Are you gonna put your OOTN
RN? Okay. Oh, time to go to English. No. All right.
Okay, anyway.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up. Comment down below who is your favorite Jonas Brother.
At Joe.
At Nick. Also, comment down below your favorite song or whatever. So, we'll see you guys next time. Let us know if you want her in another video, do the roommate tag. We'll banter back and forth for like 25 minutes. Bye, guys.
Bye.